All right, welcome back everyone. It's Hisham. Today we are in tech community development and I'm here to give you a presentation for this project, the Divine Al Barari. So what you see here is a project in Al Barari area, has a very nice views. Some apartments over here has a very nice views over the villas of the Barari. If you purchase something like around four level above, okay? Now, this project is ground, two podiums, and then you have 17th floor, okay? We have studios over here, we have one bedrooms, we have two bedrooms, and we have three bedrooms. The starting price in this project is 800 dirhams. If you want a studio large size, we're speaking about something around 435 square feet, and there is also large sizes as well. If you want one bedroom, 1.1. If you want two bedrooms, there is 1.55 all the way to 2 million. If you want three bedrooms, there is 2.1 above. Later on, if you're interested, reach out to me and I will let you know what we have here in terms of the prices and the availability. Now, what's interesting about this project, the location. You have easy entrance, easy exit. We have the views. What else you have? You have a lot of amenities. There is around 33 amenities. We have them here on the podium level, but that's not all. Come, I will show you. We have also amenities on the top, on the higher floor. So we cannot see what's going on over there, but you can have a look over here. There is a cinema, there is barbecue areas, there is a multi-purpose court. There is table tennis. You have over here some very nice swimming pool. It's really nice. Now what we will do, I will add a video for the show apartment, watch it, and let's come back to speak about the payment plan. Now, payment plan. First, the handover is going to happen in second quarter 2028, okay? Now, if you choose a unit, you like it, you want the apartment, you will have to pay 20% down payment, and then you have 5% payments every 4 months. On the handover, you pay 60%. So this payment plan is 40-60 split. It's nice for the people that want to go for the mortgage, also people that don't want to pay much till they get their keys, okay? This is it, very simple project. If you want more details, you want to see the brochure, payment plan, floor plans, everything, you can give me a call. I will explain to you the project. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye and see you in another video.